Ladies and gentlemen, some visuals came in today of some tension in Nasik after a group of Hindu pro-Bangladesh Hindu protesters were calling for a bandh, and when confronted, there was stone pelting between the Hindu groups calling for a bandh and those against them. I don't have the details of who started it, but viewers, the visuals are worrying. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact is that across India, the terrible plight of Bangladeshi Hindus has the entire country very worried. Equally worrying, and we must confront these hypocrites, is the shameless silence of the minorities in danger lobby. Every time they keep saying that Muslims have no place in India, Muslims are being targeted in India. They keep hyping, they keep falsifying things about how Muslims in India are in great danger, how Muslims in India are being subjected to state targeting, which is absolutely wrong. And now, these same people are even refusing to even acknowledge that Hindus have been killed in Bangladesh. That there have been hundreds and hundreds of brutal attacks against Hindus in Bangladesh. And they tell us, don't talk about it, be quiet about it. They indicate that Hindus being targeted is no big deal. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact is that in some cases in Bangladesh, Hindus are being told to leave their homes where they've stayed for decades and centuries unless they pay protection money to the fundamentalist groups there. A community of Hindus 1.3 crores strong, and today down to just over 7% of the population. 1.3 crore Hindus are living in great and grave danger. And I believe tonight that the silence of this lobby in India, this time, when such torture, oppression and violence is being wreaked on the Bangladeshi Hindu community, the silence of this minorities in danger lobby has to be highlighted in a big way, because it proves what I and you and I and we suspected so long, that this fake lobby is either on foreign payrolls, either they are getting money to attack India and getting paid fat sums of money to raise a false minorities in danger narrative through their NGOs or through their troll groups, or on the digital medium, or through their media houses. Or the second option is these are actually just fundamentalists, radicals who hate Hindus, who are extremely Hindu-phobic in a sense. There is no third option. And that is why, viewers, if you are getting this video on a digital medium, I want you to share this and pass it around. And ask this question, ask whether Swara Bhaskar, Shabana Azmi, the Aparna Sen types and the comedians who work with them are quiet because the Congress and Owaisi ecosystem have not green-lighted them yet. I know these are difficult and tough questions, but to keep the country together, we must expose the people who work against the interests of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, let us collectively raise our voice for Hindus in Bangladesh. Debate 1 tonight. The Prime Minister has raised this issue with Muhammad Yunus, the military puppet, who's been put in place in Bangladesh. But I am not sure of the situation on the ground and whether Muhammad Yunus can really do anything about it. Debate number 2 tonight, viewers, at 8:30 p.m. Why the doctor community are furious about what Mamta Banerjee has been up to. Ladies and gentlemen, at 9 o'clock tonight, Mamta Banerjee has an anti-left, anti-BJP defense to what is going on. But the reality is, the political ground is slipping from under her feet. There is great anger over her incompetence, which cannot be covered up in any way now. That's our third debate, the 9 o'clock one, and here are the headlines this Friday evening on the Debate Tonight. Doctors across the country hit the streets as Abhaya awaits justice. She was gang raped, brutalized and murdered. Protests have broken out across India. The anger is palpable and it's directed at the Mamata Banerjee government. Rapists remain scot-free, no real action yet. But Mamata Banerjee is shifting the blame. After her bizarre Bam Ram defense, she stages a protest against her own failure to give justice. Mamata Banerjee, who were you marching against? You should be marching against yourself.
The message today from this is stop Hindu genocide and that Hindu lives matter.
From the national capital to Nashik, Hindus are fighting for their brothers and sisters in Bangladesh. Nupur Sharma also comes out in support. She says Hindu lives matter. Meanwhile, stone pelting reported at a peaceful protest by Hindu groups for Bangladeshi Hindus in Nashik. And after a wait of 10 years, Jammu and Kashmir will witness assembly elections on September 18th. The Election Commission has announced single-phase elections in Haryana. Results for both will be announced on the 4th of October. And ladies and gentlemen, when questions are raised as to why Jai Palestine slogans are chanted in Parliament, this lobby says remain secular. But when protesters in Nashik are protesting against the persecution of their Hindu brothers and sisters in Bangladesh, in their own country, in Nashik, when there is stone pelting on them, ladies and gentlemen, when it is very well known that the Hindu community has been brutally targeted in Bangladesh, this lobby remains completely silent. This is the same lobby that defames India globally with its minorities in danger rhetoric. It has no words to spare, not one word, for Bangladeshi Hindus.
The plight of Hindus in Bangladesh has resulted in outrage across the globe. Concerns have remained high in India over the state of Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh. So much so that even Prime Minister Narendra Modi was compelled to raise the issue of the protection of Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh from ramparts of the Red Fort.
बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ भी हुआ है उसको लेकर पड़ोसी देश के नाते चिंता होना, मैं इसको समझ सकता हूं। मैं आशा करता हूं कि वहां पर हालात जल्द ही सामान्य होंगे।
Meanwhile, protests and demonstrations across the country continue to affirm solidarity with Bangladeshi Hindus. In a dramatic turn of events, protests turned violent in Nashik after stone pelting on Hindu groups who were protesting against the attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. In the national capital, former BJP leader Nupur Sharma too was seen joining protests against the persecution of minorities in Bangladesh. The suspended leader broke her silence and called for the end of Hindu genocide.
The message today from this is stop Hindu genocide and that Hindu lives matter. That's it. The world needs to wake up that we can't be attacked.
Even RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has called on India to protect the Hindus in Bangladesh.
भारतवर्ष ऐसा है कि स्व की रक्षा और स्वयं की स्वतंत्रता इसका तो है ही दायित्व, हर एक देश का होता है। लेकिन भारतवर्ष की परंपरा ये रही है कि भारतवर्ष अपने आप को दुनिया के उपकार के लिए बड़ा करता है।
During the telephonic conversation, Prime Minister Modi once again reiterated the concerns regarding protection on Hindus and minorities in Bangladesh, calling for stability in the country. Meanwhile, Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus has assured the safety and security of all Hindus and minorities in Bangladesh to Prime Minister Modi. Amidst all this, the Save Minorities Brigade has been suspiciously silent. The opposition that has been at the forefront of raising issues of minorities in India and around the world.
You can see what's being done to the Dalit community, or you can see what's being done to the tribal community. You can see what's being done to the minorities. It's not that the Congress is saying it and objectively it's not being seen. There are articles all across in the foreign press all the time that there is a serious problem with Indian democracy.
The same lobby has chosen to omit the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh amid outrage from around the world. From defending the flags of Palestine to calling for all eyes on Rafah, the question remains, why is the Minorities in Danger lobby silent on Hindu pogrom in Bangladesh?
With me in the studio is Rohan Gupta, spokesperson of the BJP, Shantanu Gupta, well-known political analyst, and they are taking on Shyam Prasad Mika of the Congress, Piyush Joshi, who supports the AAP, and Tariq Ahmed Lari of the Samajwadi Party. Tariq Ahmed Lari, why are these so-called liberals quiet on the situation in Bangladesh? I saw some visuals today. You should be very worried. I was told there was stone pelting in Nashik when some people were carrying out a procession for Bangladeshi Hindus. Why should they? Everybody should join. Don't you think, for example, Tariq Lari, that the entire Muslim community in India should come out and speak against the violence and torture on the Hindus in Bangladesh? Instead of questioning or targeting, I thought that all the Muslim community leaders should have come out and denounced the violence on the Hindus in Bangladesh. But it has not happened.
नहीं, बिल्कुल हम ये गलत काम किया, बिल्कुल करना चाहिए था। वैसे ही पूरा अफसोस जाहिर करना चाहिए, वैसे ही पूरा प्रदर्शन करना चाहिए जैसे गुजरात के दंगों को लेकर इन लोगों ने समर्थन किया और जगहों के लगा किया, गाजा का किया, जहां का भी होता है ये लोग सड़कों पे आ जाते हैं सब।
मतलब आप हिंदुओं के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, मतलब आप हिंदुओं के लिए जो व्यंग करने की कोशिश करें, मतलब आप हिंदुओं के लिए कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे।
सुन तो लीजिए, आपने एक सवाल किया, उसका पूरा जवाब सुन लीजिए। अब हम मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ये चाहती है, मेरे कई मुसलमानों से, पढ़े लिखे इंटेलेक्चुअल से भी बात हुई, मौलाना से बात हुई, वो कह रहे हैं कि इसका एक ही हल है कि मोदी जी तुरंत अखंड भारत की तरफ प्रस्थान करते हुए बांग्लादेश को कब्जे में करें और बांग्लादेश पे हमला करके वहां को भारत में वापस विलय कर ले, तो सारी सिचुएशन क्लियर हो जाएगी, सब लोग सेफ हो जाएंगे। और बिल्कुल अखंड भारत का जो सपना देखा है वो सपना बहुत बढ़िया लाजवाब हो जाएगा और हम लोग को भी बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा।
आप सीरियस नहीं,
सब लोग
No, he's trivializing the topic, he's trivializing the whole debate as if, why will someone come out for Hindus?
अखंड भारत में अगर मिला लिया जाएगा, हमारे
सवाल इतना सिंपल किया था,
राजाओं के राजा महाराज
Arnab, in India, from Khilafat Andolan, when some random Khalifa got dethroned in Turkey,
I can't hear Mahatma Gandhi audio up. Thank you. Yeah,
right. Arnab, I'll repeat myself. In India, when a random Khalifa got dethroned in Turkey, Muslims of India did a massive Andolan in India.
Exactly.
Right? If a Danish newspaper or a French newspaper draws a cartoon, there is a problem in Indian Muslims, right? And we obviously all eyes on Rafah. Anything happens in Yemen, anything happens in Gaza, all the Muslims on the road against this embassy, this government, that government. But now 1.5 crore Hindus are in trouble. No. Now he's trivializing the topic. How these people sleep at night? He's trivializing the topic. Hindu hai marne do. You know, one of the very leading.
I can't hear him. Again, his audio is down. His audio has to be put at the same level. Aditi, you got my message.
मैं नाम भी लूंगा. Two prominent Hindi journalists, Sandeep Chaudhary and Dibang. You know what they're selling in a prominent channel? नहीं. We should come out. इस मुंह से बाहर आ जाना चाहिए कि वो हिंदू हैं. वो तो बांग्लादेशी हैं. What we can do? नहीं वो.
I can't have Tariq's audio.
Yeah, Dibang and
अखंड
Sandeep
भारत
Chaudhary
बनाए, बहुत जरूरी
on a
है
show
अखंड
in a
भारत
famous
का
TV
निर्माण
channel
होना।
saying हमें इस
इस
मुंह से
देश
बाहर
की
आना चाहिए कि वो
तरक्की
हिंदू
के
है,
लिए
तो बांग्लादेशी हैं,
अखंड
हम क्या
भारत
कर
का
सकते हैं यहाँ
निर्माण
बैठ के,
होना
राइट?
बहुत जरूरी है।
हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
This is the attitude. One minute, one minute.
This is the
First of all, Tariq, I just want to fix your audio because your audio is not very clear, but I will fix it. I will come back to you. Rohan is with me in the studio. Rohan, what I am observing here, I can only call it deep discomfort. जिस लॉबी ने हमेशा एक नैरेटिव बनाई है that Muslims are under attack. They are unwilling to accept that Hindus are under attack. And in fact, this is the same lobby which put out a communal violence bill when Congress was in power saying Hindus are always the perpetrators and Muslims are always the victims. There's a discomfort. You can see it in the reaction of Tariq Lari.
Exactly.
And I think I want to highlight it today. We must talk openly about these issues. Viewers, if you're watching the program, Republic believes इन सब चीजों को cover करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. खुलकर बात होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए? Rohan ji, what do you think?
See, Arnav, it's all about the mindset. It was rightly told. When it was about Gaza, obviously it was against humanitarian things. Obviously the leaders were speaking and there's nothing wrong. Why they are silent on Bangladesh, right? There is no reason. अगर आप ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड की बात करें, हिंदुओं के लिए बात करें, तब आपकी जबान में मुंह में दही जम जाता है. ऐसा क्यों? दिस इज अबाउट द माइंडसेट बिकॉज दे फील कि अगर बोलेंगे तो कोई और नाराज हो जाएगा. मुझे लगता है.
कौन नाराज? आपको लगता है वो उनको लगता है कि अगर हिंदुओं के लिए बोलेंगे तो मुस्लिम समाज नाराज हो
Absolutely.
जाएगा.
There are class of people who think this way in opposition parties कि अगर इनके लिए बोलेंगे तो अरे वो हमारा वोट बैंक.
Which means that आपको प्रो हिंदू प्रेजेंट, प्रो मुस्लिम प्रेजेंट करने के लिए आपको हमेशा एंटी हिंदू होना होगा.
Absolutely. That is the difference between being सांप्रदायिकता और appeasement. जो हम बात करते हैं जो secularism, just 1 minute. There is a thin line between secularism and appeasement. And whenever these parties they are under pressure, they use appeasement in place of secularism and do the vote bank politics. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. It is about humanitarian ground. It was required even the institution, Muslim institution, they should have come out open and criticize this. We are with you. When you talk about Gaza, something happens wrong to the people. We are with you.
ये तो mob violence. Now when there is mob violence, पिछले हफ्ते तक ये लोग कह रहे थे, ओ रेवोल्यूशन हो गया, रेवोल्यूशन हो गया. क्या रेवोल्यूशन हो? इस्लामिस्ट ग्रुप जमाते इस्लामी कभी रेवोल्यूशन कर सकता है? ये अपने आप को लेफ्टिस्ट कहते हैं लोग. They are illiterate fools, these people. Revolution हो गया. And today, Piyush, and when there is this kind of Islamist hegemony, when there is mob violence, then they're all quiet about it. फोन नीचे रखिए, इश्यूज को खुलकर बात कीजिए.
इशू ये भी है.
इश्यूज पर खुलकर बात कीजिए. ये क्या आप हमास का वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये आपके बिहार का वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं.
नहीं, आप
जय श्री राम का नारा लगाने के लिए लड़कों
मैं आपको बांग्लादेश की बात. Why are you uncomfortable? Why are you uncomfortable? Why are you uncomfortable? Why are you uncomfortable?
मैं जिंदगी बचाने की बात कर रहा हूँ.
No, नहीं, you are uncomfortable.
बात कर रहा हूँ. इस पे भी बात होनी चाहिए.
Because they are so uncomfortable, you are seeing.
Exactly. He will show every video you can see in live.
अब पहले फोन को रखिए. I'm not checking. I'm not putting on air unchecked videos. Yeah, I'm telling the point here is Tariq, I'll tell you. Tariq, don't behave like a bigot. Fact of the matter is, मैं अगर हिंदुओं के लिए बोलूं तो कहा जाएगा आप कम्युनल हो, आप बिगट हो. Why is that? कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कुछ कहा है? Mr. Meka, I didn't hear. Your favorite, your sponsored Tista Setalwar type activist कुछ कहा है? Have you heard Deepika Padukone, by the way? Has Deepika Padukone held a placard? Has Deepika Padukone, who went to JNU to support the Tukre gang, has she spoken up on Bangladeshi Hindus?
No, not
has
at all.
Has she spoken, viewers?
No.
Has Swara Bhaskar spoken, viewers?
No.
Has Kareena Kapoor spoken, viewers? ये सब कहते हैं eyes on Rafah. And Kareena Kapoor had put out a placard saying, I am Hindustan, I am ashamed. Has she put out a placard now? Where are they?
Hiding.
Where is the Lutyens media?
Can I respond now?
Lutyens media justifying what happened.
Kareena has tweeted, good if she has. Yeah.
Can I respond?
Yeah. But respond very focused way.
Yeah.
Very
absolutely.
focused.
I'm not. I think why the opposition parties are relatively silent on this particular issue because they've already communicated that they stand solidly behind the union government on this particular issue, and they had an all-party meeting on the same issue of Bangladesh where they all agreed that whatever voices need to arise from India are going to come from the government, and the opposition is in complete synchrony with the government of India.
Oh,
so that is what
worst,
I believe. But
the worst alibi I have ever heard.
Humanitarian crisis, no doubt.
The worst alibi I ever heard. Arnab.
Everyone should be more vocal about it. Ultimately, it is the loss of life.
Before posting the all rise on Rafah tweet, did they check with the NEA?
They are being targeted.
Before posting the all eyes on Rafah tweets, did they check with NEA?
Tyranny against this kind of
give something which can people believe.
Okay. Rohan is coming. Rohan, come in strong, please. Now, Rohan, your question.
It is about the mindset. When all the indie leaders, they can tweet about Gaza, they can tweet about the human rights, they can post the
Palestine.
videos, Palestine. Why not even a single tweet? What makes them worry? Why are they worried? Are they worried about, talking about the Hindus? 82 crore Hindus are there in India. They are not bothered about sentiments. मुझे लगता है कि जो बोलते हैं कि आप मेजोरिटी में होते हो, हम लोग उस सिंड्रोम से सफर कर रहे हैं कि हम मेजोरिटी में हैं तो हमारे लिए किसी को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. No, that is wrong. Whenever something wrong happens to anybody, you are supposed to speak. Whether it is India, whether it is outside, why you are not able to speak? When you are loud enough, when something happens wrong in Palestine, why you are not able to speak when you are something wrong in Bangladesh? एक ट्वीट तो करिए. अरे सिंपल ट्वीट कर दीजिए कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. और एक और चीज मैं बनना चाहूंगा, 1 minute. When Modi ji tweeted, when Modi ji spoke to Mr. Rahman there, he was very, very clear that Hindus and other minorities. I am not talking only about Hindus. I am talking about other minorities also, जो जिनके ऊपर भी वहां पे अत्याचार हुआ. उसके लिए तो बोल दीजिए. अगर आपको वहीं पे डर लगता हो, हिंदू के लिए डर लगता है, दूसरे माइनॉरिटी के लिए बोलिए. पर ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं हो सकता है. अगर आप एक चीज के लिए आपका एक स्टैंडर्ड है तो दूसरी चीज के सेम स्टैंडर्ड होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर हिंदू मेजोरिटी में है तो उसके ऊपर अत्याचार होगा तो आप चुप रहेंगे. दैट इज नॉट द वे इट शुड बी.
But Hindus are not in majority in Bangladesh. They are a minority in Bangladesh.
That's what I'm saying. So why you cannot speak about them? Why can't you speak about them? Simple question. What makes you not speak about them?
There are very many people who have tweeted on the issue.
But why not these leaders, so-called leaders, who are talking anything across the world? They can tweet anything for anywhere. Why not for Bangladesh?
No, I just want to. Why can't? Okay.
Only because
I'll tell you, viewers, there are so many Congress leaders who say all eyes on Rafah. There are many Congress leaders. There are people who say Jai Palestine. Now, very clear question, viewers. Let me ask you this. It doesn't matter whether you're Hindu or Muslim or Buddhist or Christian watching this. And by the way, Buddhists and Christians are also in a terrible situation in Bangladesh. People are like asking
all minority
jizya tax from them in some place. Aapko rehna hai to paise do, protection money do, nikal jao. I'm saying, if the Congress wants to prove that it is not an anti-Hindu party, they must put out a hashtag campaign saying Hindu lives matter. अब अगर आप सोच के रहेंगे, Mr. Mika, that if I put out Hindu lives matter, I will not get Muslim vote bank, you must take a principled position. If a single Muslim does not vote for you because you are for Hindu lives, for the right of Hindus to live, then you should not want that Muslim vote. But you can't do that. You see, आपके कोई convictions नहीं है. You have no conviction, no ideology. You have become Hindu-phobic, anti-Sanatan. And that's become your nature. Otherwise, you would have put out a hashtag saying Hindu lives matter. And it's a serious matter. Wipe the smile off your face because there have been 500 plus attacks on Hindus across 50 districts of Bangladesh. What is funny? Would you be smiling if I were to tell you there have been 500 attacks on Muslims? You would be very serious. But if I say, viewers, 500 plus attacks I have reported from... क्या तारीख लारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपको? आप हंसते?
Muslims have been attacked in India. When are you going to
I am first talking about what Muslims... Now again you start करेंगे Muslims are being targeted in India. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You don't become the Hindu-phobic person on television at least. You can respond, Rohan.
See, this is...
No, you can respond here.
See, the point, Tariq, is this is about the mindset. How can you compare? How can you say that कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ, ये तो गलत चीज है ना? आपको क्यों तकलीफ है? देखिए सनातन की जब बात करें, what Arnav spoke, I think it's a basic core issue. जब DMK की बात हो your
can't
life
hear it.
speaks about Sanatan. You are not able to speak. Just
The problem is with the audio control.
DMK leader, the
Aditi.
minister spoke against Ram.
No.
You were silent. Why?
हिंदू उग्रवादी संगठन
You are just using Hindu religion whenever you
It's
require.
not.
This is not the way.
Hindu
See, this is the dangerous
Exactly.
politics you are playing. You play Hindu Musliman in the name of Muslim appeasement, and when you don't get votes of Hindu, you divide Hindu in the caste. This is the new strategy of the opposition. But people of India know you. People of India understand your real face. You have become anti-Sanatan now. You have become anti-Hindu now. That's why you are not able to speak anything. Whenever there is question on Lord Ram, you are silent. Whenever somebody questions Sanatan, you are silent. When somebody insults Sanatan, you are silent. This shows your real mindset. And after such a pressure for last few days, even then you are not able to speak. It means you are under such.
Okay, I think straight question. First of all, again, there's a problem with the audio. I'll try and fix it. Mr. Mika, how is the life of a Bangladeshi Hindu less important for your party than the life of a Rohingya Muslim from Myanmar? I can't hear you. You've muted yourself. I have not muted you.
No, you should be hearing. I'm not unmute. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Because
Okay.
you always
See,
for Rohingya Muslims from Myanmar.
No, one second. No. Before you went on your hate spreading.
What is hate spreading about this?
No, I will tell.
Look at this logic, viewers. How they you have a toxic mindset. You call me a hate spreader. You are a hate spreader. I'm speaking for Hindus who are being targeted.
Right.
That makes me a hate spreader. If you speak for Hindus, you are spreading
See
hate.
the mindset?
Look, see that Shantanu? See that Rohan?
This is Congress. This
If you
is
speak
Congress.
for
They're
Hindus, you
exposing
spread
themselves.
hate.
They're exposing themselves every time.
All right. Are chup rahe.
Speaking
bhai.
for Hindus is
Spoken
hate.
anybody.
Wow.
How it is hate?
Okay.
Talking up for Hindus, how it is hate? You please explain that.
I explain.
Now he will
okay.
say Hindus are
See,
Taliban.
ले आए
Okay.
Hindu
240
terror.
में
बहुत
बैठे
जोरी
400 पार का
start.
सपना देख रहे थे इतना अपने आप को एक्सपोज किया कि 240 पे आप चले गए और हम जो है इस देश की तीसरे नंबर पार्टी बन गए
He's saying election,
इतना एक्सपोज
hate,
कर
but
दिया
he's
हमने
not
अपने
able
आप
to
को
speak any word for
आपकी
Hindus in
असलियत एक्सपोज
Bangladesh
होती है
who are in dire
आपके
condition.
कारनामे एक्सपोज हो चुके हैं हिंदू
People are watching. People are watching. People are watching how Samajwadi Party and Congress are conducted. Hindus are watching. And you know Arnab. And you know Arnab. And you know Arnab. When the Muslim mob attacked Hindus in Bangladesh, they did not ask which caste they are from. They did not ask which caste they are from.
Okay, now I'll go to Mr. Mika. I'll get Mika and Rohan, please, on this. Mr. Mika, answer my question now.
Hindus should get alerted.
You are a traitor.
Hindus should get alerted.
Answer the question now. I asked you.
See. Yeah. Okay.
The question on Rohingya Muslims
Okay. Okay.
versus
Thank you for
Bangladeshi Hindus. Yeah.
Thank you for letting me speak. Don't make it Rohingya Muslims versus Bangladeshi Hindus. It's a humanitarian crisis.
That's what I am saying. Then why you are not able to speak for Hindus?
You speak? No. Okay. You speak. Okay, you speak. No.
No, you tell me why you are not able to speak for Hindus and
Arre,
how
bhai
talking
sahab,
about Hindus is spreading hatred. I have two simple questions to you. You told Arnav that you are spreading hatred.
Yeah.
How talking about for Hindus, for their well-being is hatred, number one.
Okay.
And why, if it is a humanitarian crisis, why the leaders are not able to speak for Hindus?
Okay.
Simple.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you be courteous to listen to. First point is Arnab can defend himself. You don't need to defend him. Okay? You can keep quiet.
Okay.
Arnab is
now you
very
answer
much
the question.
capable of
You
defending
answered the
himself.
question now.
What is the question? Where is the question?
Okay.
The point is, you are asking me, a congressman, about the state of affairs in Bangladesh instead of asking questions to the government of India.
Achha, then
What are you trying to do?
why are you bothered about the state of affairs in Myanmar when it comes to Rohingyas?
No, Myanmar ho, Bangladesh.
And Palestine?
And Palestine, why are you concerned about the situation of Palestine, human rights
We are
abuses against the Hamas? Why?
We are
Why?
concerned
Gaza
about
Strip is
human
the
rights
state of
everywhere.
India. Shantanu dekha? Totally exposed. Totally.
वोट बैंक है वो वोट बैंक है वो वोट बैंक है देवबंद वाले खुश होते हैं
अरे भाई साहब चुप
बरेलवी
रहिए
खुश
आप।
होते हैं
हिंदू
हैदराबाद वाले खुश होते हैं वोट मिलता है
आप
उससे
कौन है भाई बीच में?
Mr. Mika, what are you
मुस्लिम ब्रदरहुड खुश होता है just to make the Muslim Brotherhood happy,
मालूम है आप क्या बोल रहे
just to
हैं?
make the Muslim Brotherhood lobby happy.
अरे पूरा
इसमें कौन सा puzzle है बहुत बड़ा? It's not a big puzzle.
हिंदूज, मुस्लिम्स, ईसाई सब हमारा वोट बैंक है। आप कौन है बीच में?
तो बोलिए ना एक बार, फिर हिंदूज के फेवर में बोलिए ना, बोलिए राहुल गांधी से ट्वीट करेगा।
क्या क्या बोलना है, क्या चाहते हैं हम आपको?
Okay.
आप क्या चाहते हैं?
You don't even know.
आप जरा जवाब सोच के आइए।
They're acting some they're so acting so innocent. Nothing happened. I don't know. क्या हो गया हिंदुओं को?
आप क्या बोल रहे थे? आप खुद सुन सकते हैं।
हजारों हिंदुओं को मारी तो डाला, क्या हो गया?
मिका भाई, मैं हूँ तारिक अहमद दारी, आपसे एक सवाल कर रहा हूँ। आप क्या बोल रहे थे? आपने सुना अपने आप को?
Build narratives on this country. We are not going to get into your narrative.
मिका भाई, आपने क्या बोला? आपने सुना?
Hindus are watching how समाजवादी insensitive.
मिका भाई, आपने क्या?
Hindus are watching. It has become so difficult that you can't utter a word.
Hindus are watching.
All Indians are
एक
watching.
शब्द नहीं बोल सकते, इतना ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है आपका, पूरा देश आपको देख रहा है।
Even if whenever you are putting words in their mouth, तब भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं। My God, can you imagine the sensitivity?
हमें चाहिए, क्या चाहिए? हमें ये चाहिए, सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए, हमें चाहिए कि आप ये ऑन एयर कहें that you agree with what RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat has said, expressing concerns against the violence and torture of Bangladeshi Hindus. हिम्मत है तो टेलीविजन पर कहिए that I agree with what the RSS Chief has said.
Indian government, Indian army should move in Bengal.
You won't say it. आपको लगेगा RSS Chief ने कहा है तो I can't agree.
Indian army
Mindset बन गई आपकी।
अरे आप ही बोल रहे हैं सब कुछ।
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ना, मेरी बात लोग सुन रहे हैं ना।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, we are concerned about the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh. We want the government of India to take necessary steps. We have full confidence.
नहीं, आप अपने ग्रेटा थनबर्ग, you ask your Greta Thunberg, Joe Biden, Rihanna lobby. You ask them to also tweet for this.
No. You are Mohan.
क्यों Rihanna didn't get money to tweet? Rihanna didn't get money to tweet like she tweeted about the farmers' protest?
You are the Manwadi lobby.
Rihanna got money to dance also.
I'm asking, what about Greta Thunberg? What about Greta Thunberg? She's not talking this time? Your favorite Greta Thunberg?
Go and get Greta Thunberg onto your show.
No, now you'll disown Greta Thunberg. You have totally cornered them on the debate today.
No, when was Greta Thunberg a member of Congress?
She was effectively Congress during the farmers' agitation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. नहीं, Tariq ji, I'm telling you, Samajwadi Party should lead a protest against the condition of Bangladeshi Hindus.
Oh my God!
We will lead a
and they should lead in Moradabad and Rampur.
All the things going on around the world. Every foreign.
Now complete whataboutery will happen. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm shifting base. I'm shifting base to debate 2. I thank you all.